Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mirna. I am from the English Language Education Study Program. Okay, on this occasion, I will present the result of my proposal in detail English vocabulary learning difficulties in second semester student of Universitas 19 November Kolaka. Factor analysis and implication for learning. First slide, there is the background of the research. English is a crucial competency in today's era of globalization, especially for students who need variation language skills to support their studies, access information, and future career opportunities. Vocabulary mastery is the primary foundation of English language proficiency because it serves as the building block for other skills such as reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Without adequate vocabulary mastery, students will experience significant obstacles in understanding English learning materials and communicating effectively. However, numerous studies indicate that students still struggle to learn and master English vocabulary effectively. Research conducted on students at Trident Incheon State Islamic University Lampung revealed that students experience problems with pronunciation, spelling, and different word from influence as part of the vocabulary learning process, leading to difficulties in using vocabulary opportunely in real-world context. Difficulties in vocabulary mastery are also influenced by various internal and external factors. Internal low learning motivation, ineffective learning strategies, and limited cognitive abilities can hinder students' ability to remember and use new words. Externally independent teaching methods, learning environments with minimal exposure to English, and limited opportunities for English practice are factors that hinder vocabulary mastery. Research on elementary school students shows that internal factors such as motivation and study habits, as well as external factors such as teaching methods and learning media, play a significant role in vocabulary learning difficulties, which have implications for higher education context. Furthermore, student perception of the importance of vocabulary and the strategies they use in learning are crucial aspects that require analysis. Many EFL or English as a foreign language students recognize the importance of vocabulary mastery, yet they still face significant obstacles in the learning process, resulting in low overall English language proficiency. The above situation is also supported by research showing that even though students have been exposed to formal English materials, they still struggle with vocabulary comprehension, indicating the need to identify the causal factors and improve the learning process. This is an important basis for conducting further research on the difficulties in learning English vocabulary. In second semester, students at 19 November Kolaka University with a focus on analyze analyze the causal factors and their implication for the quality of English learning. Okay, the next slide is the research problem. Discuss about first, what difficulties do second semester students of 19 November Kolaka University face in learning English vocabulary? Second, what factors contribute to the student difficulties in learning English vocabulary? Third, what are the implications of vocabulary learning difficulties for English language learning and teaching? Okay, the next slide is the research objective. Discuss about the first is to identify the types of difficulties experienced by second semester students in learning English vocabulary. The second is to analyze the factors that contribute to student difficulties in mastering English vocabulary. The third is to explain the implications of vocabulary learning difficulties for the English learning process. The next slide is the theoretical review. Discuss about vocabulary learning involves understanding word meaning from pronunciation and usage. According to Thornbury 2002, without vocabulary, communication cannot occur effectively. Vocabulary learning difficulties often arise due to limited exposure, ineffective learning strategies, low motivation, and inappropriate teaching methods. The next slide is the conceptual framework. In this discussion, the difficulty of learning English is influenced by two factors, namely internal factors and external factors. Internal factors such as motivation, learning strategies, attitudes, and background knowledge, while external factors such as teaching method, learning material, and learning environment. The next slide is the research methodology. In this discussion, research methodology has four parts, namely, the first is research design, qualitative descriptive research. The second is research subject. Second semester student of English Language Education, FKIP Universitas 19 November Kolaka, 10 until 15 students. The third is data collection, technique quiz, interviews, questionnaires, and documentation. The fourth is data analysis, data education, data display, and conclusion drawing. The next slide is the conclusion. This research focused on analyze English vocabulary learning difficulties experienced by second semester student of Universitas 19 November Kolaka by identifying the types of difficulties and their contribution factors. This study is expected to provide insights for improving vocabulary teaching strategies and supporting student English learning development. Okay, that was the presentation and explanation of my proposal. I apologize for any shortcomings. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.